The Naughty Dolphin. In the shimmering ocean, there lived a mischievous dolphin named Finn. With his playful spirit and twinkle in his eye, Finn was always up to some naughty antics. This is the story of his thrilling adventures. Finn loved to swim among schools of colorful fish, but he couldn't resist teasing them. He would swiftly dart through their ranks, causing a flurry of bubbles and scattering the fish in all directions. Finn found endless delight in their playful chase. One day, Finn spotted a group of snorkelers exploring the vibrant coral reef. With mischievous glee, he swam circles around them, tickling their feet with his fin and causing them to erupt in laughter. Finn reveled in their joyful reactions. As the sun set, painting the sky with brilliant hues, Finn's naughtiness reached its peak. He would leap high out of the water, splashing unsuspecting beachgoers and leaving them drenched. The children squealed with delight, while the adults couldn't help but chuckle at Finn's playful nature. But Finn soon realized that his pranks could sometimes upset people. He saw a little girl who dropped her ice cream cone when he splashed too close, and an old man who tripped over his beach chair in surprise. The guilt weighed heavy on Finn's heart. Determined to make things right, Finn had a change of heart. He decided to use his intelligence and agility for good instead of mischief. He started by guiding lost fish back to their families and helping turtles caught in fishing nets find their way to freedom. Word of Finn's transformation spread across the ocean, and he became a hero among the sea creatures. They admired his cleverness and kind deeds. Finn had learned an important lesson about empathy and the impact his actions had on others. From that day forward, Finn dedicated himself to spreading joy and laughter in a positive way. He swam alongside children, teaching them about the wonders of the ocean and showing them how to respect its inhabitants. Finn became a true friend to all, a playful guide to those who sought adventure in the vast blue expanse.